I decided to speak on the topic of children with disabilities. I chose this one because I have personal experience with special education and with children with disabilities because my little sister is in the special education department at our local school. So the first topic is the importance of inclusion. I think inclusion is so important not only for the student but the educator and the student's parents. The student is the most important part of this because it can help make them feel welcome and included in their school environment, which is all any kid could ever ask for. It could really make the decision whether a student likes going to school or dislikes going to school, and if they dislike going to school, they won't learn as well. Another reason inclusion is so important is because as an educator, you want your students to learn and you want them to enjoy coming to school. And that just circles back around to the student actually wanting to come to school and wanting to learn. Some important techniques that educators could use is communication with the parents. Communication with the parents could be key because they ultimately know what their child wants more than you do. If their child talks to them about at home, they know the problems and solutions that could help. But not only should you talk to the parents, but you should talk to the student themselves. The students are the best person to talk to know what they want. You have to find a nice middle ground to where the student feels comfortable talking to you about these things. Another technique is to put yourself into their shoes and to really think about how they must feel. Even though you can't fully understand what they're going through, you can get a better idea than thinking from your own point of view.